This protocol can aid in the automated deployment of telecommunication services over constrained devices, such as with a telephony service provided through an aerial network of unmanned aerial vehicles.
The advantage of this solution is that it facilitates the rapid deployment of services over the limited geographic areas for which communication infrastructures may be unavailable or insufficient.
This protocol has been defined within the research area on the fifth generation of mobile networks, and it is based on state-of-the-art network function virtualization technologies.
This method has been demonstrated using the advanced prototypes available here at Tectonic, the European leading laboratory in 5G. But it can be demonstrated also with other 5G virtual systems.
To verify the correct setup of a UAV cloud platform, access the Administrator, System Information tab using the appropriate login information and click in the Computing Service and Network Agents sections to check that the status of the displayed items is up. To configure an experiment, download the VNF images that implement the different components of the IP telephony service from the experiment repository. To upload the VNF images to their correspondent VIM, click Create Image and create an image using the displayed form. After uploading the images for each